what would it be called? Not completely thought out construction company ideas. They put this 18-inch cabinet here, and then this cabinet here, and then the space that's where you see this does not allow for a very, very large refrigerator, so we had to get a really skinny one, and we ended up going with a whole refrigerator instead of a refrigerator freezer, because we couldn't find one with the dimensions that are really narrow where it would mess this up. But it still was so narrow that you could barely, you couldn't even open this drawer. So we're going to get a shorter cabinet here, we're going to move it down there, and we're going to put this here, and then give us 6 more inches so that we can open up all our cabinets and our drawers, and then we can still open up the refrigerator and hopefully use the space. Step number 1 complete. The larger cabinet has been moved to this position. You want what?
Went to Lowe's to get another cabinet, like all the rest of our cabinets that were in this house, just put in last year. No longer available in this style. Had to compromise that, and it's more expensive, yet it's thinner, has no edging, no detail to it whatsoever. Ridiculous.
He did? What's your song?
Yoda. It's not Yoda.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got all the cat I want.
You did? Oh, so you're gonna clean up all the wrappers?
I want.
Why not?
Because I want just some candy.
Just some candy? You don't want to put the wrappers in the garbage?
No. I want to keep my stickers in there.
I'd put the stickers on the outside of your bag.
On my bag?
Yeah.
And I look at my stickers.
If you stick them in there, they're all going to stick to each other.
And each other?
To each other.
I will put them. Okay. I'll get the candy out.
Okay. And then put all your stickers in there? Or are you going to put them on the bag?
I'll put in some out. Maybe white too. I'll put them on the box.
Okay.
And not the stickers. Oh, look. There we go. What are
Those are called Smarties.
these? No.
Those are, you know what those are. Jelly beans.
Jelly beans.
Can you say Smarties?
Smarties?
Smarties.
Smarties?
No, Smarties.
Smarties.
No, you have to say Smarties.
Smarties.
Correct. There you go.
Oh, there's one more left.
Are they good, Jojo? Yeah?
And they too.
And Daddy likes them too?
And jelly beans.
Oh, really?
But I got all the can for me.
Here you go.
And I was
What did you say? I will swallow it.
you can pick one.
Okay.
I think Jelly wants some.
That's it. Dad's gonna get back to work.
You got the jelly beans.
I don't want any jelly beans. Can I have some Smarties?
Now you can have a Barbie.
Okay.
Take a bite. No.
You're too cute, Joanna. I could videotape you all day long. All day.
Now there's a bite empty.
You like them?
Yeah.
You're still not going to clean up your big giant mess you made?
Mm.
Did you eat all that candy or was some of it already open?
Lucy's over there.
Lucius opened it? But who ate it?
Lucy did it.
You sure? Only
Yeah. And a bathtub.
in the bathtub?
Yeah, it's so funny. Yeah.
Joanna said that you ate all the candy. That's why there's so many wrappers. She said you opened it all.
You opened it. All by yourself. And swallow it. He just would want it. It's so funny. I thought them came too. No, Mama? Okay.
What?
My duck.
Okay, thanks.
Now you can do my Smarties and jelly beans.
Okay, here's your duck. Let's go finish up.
Just open it and
Just that much right there. Let's compromise.
He's not going to shut the door. This is my hot spot.
This is your hiding spot?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Let's get these hanging out.
Oh, you are.
But I can't get the other one now.
You pull them. You pull both sides at the same time. No, you take the sides. The two red parts.
The two red parts?
Yeah, both sides of the red parts. No, the red. That's not red. What? Pull it.
I can't do it. No, I can't.
You hold one side. Now pull. Oh, it's all the way open. Now pull the center. Now pull the center open. See, you did it. Hey, now you get it?
I got that right.
All right.
Don't shut it.
Oh, okay.
Let's give you. Don't shut it. Let's keep it open.
All right.
Hey,
What?
now my way.
Get out of your way.
Now try to open this one. Yeah. Yeah. There we go.
That's not much of a hiding spot if all the doors are open.
It is a big spot. Then mine. Cause
It's
You don't have.
Her cave.
You're big enough.
I'm too big
Yeah, to put my cave.
to fit in your cave.
Yeah.
Oh.
Put it in the garden. Put these in the garden.
Please.
Please. There.
You gonna say thank you?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Don't put them in the garden.
Don't?
No.
Why not?
You put this side and I'll put this side.
One more. We're not gonna eat all these tonight, right? All right. I wanna stop this.
Alright. Yeah. Full functionality without having to open the refrigerator door.
Let me see what it looks like up close. Sweet.
It doesn't look bad.
No. Once we get the little doorknob on there, it'll be
The
alright.
little knobs that'll blend in really well.
Yeah. Now you really can't tell how it's over the top, but the color on the walls. What are you doing, JoJo?
I'm lying at the floor.
Oh, you're doing a great job.